One of the long-term impacts would be leaving behind infrastructure that will enable Africans to be able to participate in the global search for answers in mental health.
Any research is good for mental health because then it starts putting evidence out there on what is happening in mental health and what can be done. And then coming down to the genetic studies is that when interventions are developed, then we'll not be wondering whether we were a part of it or whether it applies to us like we have always wondered, but we'll confidently say that we were represented in that analysis.
We are making it a science problem, so it should have a science solution. Having people now understand that it comes from, just like we are tall or short because our parents are tall or short, then our brains are just going to be like our parents' brains. And so if there's something wrong down the generations, then it's going to come to somebody else along the generation. So that, I think, should be encouraged even in like schools, so that people start to understand this is an organ. And we inherit it just like we inherit our height, our skin color, our hairs.
We know that there are also other things like environmental factors that play a role in the development of psychosis. So it would really be very important for us to study the neurogenetics of psychosis.
Working in collaboration with other institutions like the Harvard School of Public Health and Broad Institute will enable us quickly achieve our goal, because our resources will be brought together, our minds will be brought together, and we shall walk the path together and becomes faster in finding solutions.
It's a beautiful collaboration. It's a prototype. It's one that people should use going forward.
I hope that the work that we're doing will contribute, even if it's a little bit, to the discovery of new diagnostic techniques and discovery of new treatments for the illnesses that cause a huge burden of suffering to a significant proportion of the people on this planet. So this is my hope for a project like NeuroGAP.